In this video, I'm going to show you how to get free Roblox or Robux on Roblox game. Just you need to follow and watch this video till the end. So first open your Roblox like this and go here to this three dots, more. Click on it and next you will find here these options. Click on Roblox Plus and after that you will see here try it for free. That's mean that we are going to have Roblox Plus for free. Click try it for free and again click try it for free and select here and click try it for free, and next it's going to take you to the payment method. Don't worry because you will not pay nothing because it's just a free trial for 30 days. Then click your payment method by credit or debit card or PayPal. I would choose debit or credit card. Then enter your payment detail or information. Then click start trial and it will last for 29 days for free and they will not cut any money from your debit or credit card. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and bye.